Namaskar, dear students. Prayers to Ma Sharda. Second lesson, electrostatic potential and capacitance. We will discuss two illustrations today. Both are descriptive and concept based. Okay. 2.3, they have given two figures. One of positive field, second of positive charge, second of negative charge. Electric fields are shown. These are field lines. For positive, they are outward. For negative charge, they are inward. Okay? They have given 2 points here, P and Q. Here also they have given 2 points, A and B. Questions are like this. Find out sign of Vp minus Vq. Okay? Now see, Vp equals to Kq upon Rp and Vq equals to Kq upon Rq. But see, Rp is less than Rq. But see, if Rp is less than Rq, this term is positive, so Vp will be greater than Vq, so Vp minus Vq will be positive. Okay? Now what about Vb minus Va? Now see, Va equals to K into minus Q upon Ra and Vb equals to K into minus Q upon Rb. Here also Ra is less than Rb, but due to this negative sign, here Va will be less than Vb. Okay, just opposite to this, because here it was a positive charge, here it is negative charge, that's fine. So Vb minus Va is positive. Again, this is positive. Okay. Second question, for small negative charge minus Q dash, we have to find out UQ minus UP. Now see, UQ can be written as minus that small negative charge I have given name minus Q dash. Okay. So UQ will be equal to minus Q dash into VQ, because we will know that potential energy equals to charge into potential. Okay. So minus Q dash into VQ and UP is minus Q dash into VP, but here is also a negative sign. So if I take Q dash common, it will be Vp minus Vq, but Vp minus Vq is positive, so that's why this sign will be positive. Okay. Now what about Ub minus Ua? Okay. See, Ub minus Ua can be written as minus Q dash into Vb minus of minus Q dash. I have calculated here. Minus Q dash into Vb minus of minus Q dash into Va. Taking Q dash common, it will be Va minus Vb, but we know that Vb minus Va is positive. Okay, here it is Va minus Vb, so final sign will be negative. Okay, answers in some books are incorrect, so please think concept wise. Okay, it is negative. Now, next. For small positive charge, if we bring it from Q to P, work done by us. See, if we bring it from Q to P, we are bringing it against field, but we are helping. So work done by us is positive, but work done by field is negative because field will oppose. Okay. Similarly, for small negative charge from B to A. See, if I want to bring a small negative charge from B to A, this negative charge will oppose. So field will oppose. So work done by field will be negative, but work done by us is again positive because we are helping. Okay. And moreover, as negative charge will travel from B to A, this field will oppose it. So its kinetic energy will be decreasing. Okay. Decrease. All these are concept based questions. Okay. So you can write according to your understanding. Okay. It is not essay writing, so you must have your concepts clear. Now 2.7. Comb run through one's dry hair attracts paper pieces. What about wet hair? See, there is a video, if you see in the playlist, explaining this. Okay, in detail. Suppose there is a plastic comb, okay, if we rub it with dry hair, it will have negative charge and this type of non-uniform electric field. Okay, it will induce polarity in paper pieces and will attract. But if hair is wet, okay, no friction or less friction, so no charge on comb, so it won't attract. Okay. Next, rubber tires of aircraft are made slightly conducting. Why? Because see, when aircraft starts moving, okay, its initial speed is from at the time of takeoff, okay, from more than 200 kilometers per hour to 200 kilometers per hour, okay. So lot of friction is there. Due to friction there may be accumulation of charge, okay. So due to that a spark can happen and can cause accident, okay. So the special rubber tires of aircrafts are made somewhat conducting, okay. So it can give the charge to the ground very fast. Ground itself is conducting, but if the tires have also some conduction, then the charge will flow very fast. Vehicles carrying inflammable material have metallic rods touching like this, okay? Touching ground, metallic rods, okay? Touching ground, because same reason, okay? Because it is carrying inflammable material, so one spark may cause dangerous accident, okay. So in order to pass on the charge produced due to friction, okay, to the ground, this actually, see what happens, actually due to friction 10% of the energy is lost due to friction between road and tire. The other loss I am not considering. Only due to friction between road and tire, almost 10% of the energy is lost. So nowadays, even some car manufacturing companies are also providing special road, okay, to pass on the charge to the ground, and especially in case of electric car, okay, it may cause a serious accident, friction, okay. Moreover, research is going on to use this charge, okay, to generate small powers, okay. So it is going on, you can Google it, okay. And last one, bird perching on high power line, nothing happens, but if a man standing on ground touches the line, he will feel shock. Why? Because see, bird is for bird, okay. See, bird is perching on single wire, so no potential difference. But for man, suppose this is ground, okay, and if it touches like this, okay, circuit is completed, there is a potential difference. So current will pass through the person because the ground is conducting material. So he will experience a shock, fatal shock. Okay. Take a screenshot. Bye.